Welcome to Yester Quickies, a speedy culinary trip back in time. Today we're traveling to 1965 to discover two amazing, very retro, very delicious cocktails. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Jill and this is Yester Kitchen. I've got another quickie for you. I actually have two quickies for you. These are cocktails. You've got to try them. You're going to love them. And they are from a cookbook. We've seen it before. And if you haven't seen this book, check out my previous video because we took two other amazing, amazing cocktails right from this book. This book, the Calvert Party Encyclopedia, is from 1965. And it was a gift from one of my viewers, Pete G. Pete, again, thank you so much. This is an absolute treasure. As you can see, it's falling apart. The pages are yellowed. But I take such good care of it. So I'm going to put it very safely to the side. And today we're going to do two cocktails. One is called the Russian Bear and one is called Angel's Tip. Very, very similar. So if you have the ingredients, you can easily make both. So the first one is called a Russian Bear. You can kind of look at it as a riff on a White Russian, but this is just fabulous. So the first thing you need is 1.5 ounces of vodka, which is a standard shot. In it goes. And by the way, if you need any Yester Kitchen in your life, in your bar, the link is right down below. I love them, they're so cute. Okay, we have our 1 shot of vodka. To that, we're gonna add 1 ounce of creme de cacao, which is equal to 2 tablespoons. In it goes, and if you don't know what creme de cacao is, it's a liqueur. Here it is. You've got this like chocolate almond thing going on, although almond taste is very, very faint in it. It's more chocolate, but it is delicious and it's fabulous in here. And we just need one more ingredient, and that is 1 ounce of whole cream, which is also equal to 2 tablespoons. In it goes. Yes, this is a creamy drink, and it is fabulous. In goes our shaker, and let's go. And that's pretty much it. Bring in 1 glass. I like the large ice cubes. They melt slower. Your drink's not as watery, but of course you can use as many small ice cubes as you want. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? It is so, so good. 1965 in a glass. All right, now we're gonna move on and we are gonna make an Angel's Tip. So the Angel's Tip is a cordial. What is a cordial? It's in a small glass. Either like this, or there's a million little cordial glasses, like a small glass with a little stem. I happen to like this one. And this is a layered drink. Here we go. Are you ready? We're back to the creme de cacao. See, very similar, very, very similar ingredients. So you can easily make both. We have 1.5 ounces of creme de cacao that you want to pour right in there. And now we have that same, instead of 1 ounce, we have 1/2 ounce of cream, which is 1 tablespoon, and make sure it's cold. Now this is a layered drink. So what you want to do, if you've seen me do this trick before, this is what you do for a tequila sunrise. And if you missed that episode, I'll put it right there. This is exactly the same thing. So what you want to do is you want to take a little teaspoon and put it backwards and lay it right on your glass, kind of like almost right into the side. And then you're going to take your cream. You're going to pour it right along the side of the glass in the bottom. Did we layer? Oh, yes, we did. Look at that. I don't know, can you see it? I'm afraid to tip it. There, look at that. Is that gorgeous? This, my friends, is called an Angel's Tip, also from 1965. Perfect after dinner drink. I would probably take a little paper towel and just clean that up so it looks a little better. Other than that, this is it. They're gorgeous. Impress your guests. Get your 1960s on. This is truly straight from 1965. Very, very classic and very, very good. Thanks for stopping by. It's always such an honor to have you join me. Enjoy drinking the past, and I will see you in the next video.